Welcome aboard car 18, DeWalt Racing. And we're going to have a lap of Townsville here, which is one of the best tracks on the calendar, but one of the trickiest. So they've given the old bloke the job of taking control and doing a lap here. So turn 2, second gear, a bit less aero than last year in these new gen cars, and a little bit less grip too. So the rear really tries to move around, up into the tight right-hander, really bumpy on exit. It's all about drive here. Trying to get up to the fast 5 and 6. Third gear, use some curb, bounce around a bit. And this one's the one that hurts. Oh, 7 hand laps of that. Starts to hit the ribs a bit harder. Turn 7, second gear, lots of curb. And this is the big tyre dead corner. Trying to just feather the throttle. Use the rear tyre as least amount as possible. Into turn 11, second gear. New gen cars have a bit more torque, so you can use second gear, a little bit lighter, in and out, second, third gear, again another big tyre dead corner. Last corner, second gear, out you come, there's your team on the pit wall, fist in the air, that's how you celebrate a win on lap 78, it's damn tough.